Hey everyone, it's X at Halo Inc. And for my daily improvement, we laid some knifless tape on the body line of the van. So that way when we lay our graphic, we usually cut alongside the edge of this for a pretty clean cut. But there's also room for a potential defect of scratching the paint off the vehicle. So what knifless tape does, it allows you to cut the vinyl without no blade needed. So to demonstrate that, I have a piece of vinyl right here with some knifless tape. So you want to lay your knifless tape first, and then your vinyl, of course. And then you're gonna peel up about an inch or two, doesn't really matter. You're gonna fold it over on itself, hold your thumb, and give it a nice tug. Sometimes it rips, it's fine. You want to give yourself more extra, that's why. Oh, it released right there. There you go. So you want to pull this line up. As soon as it gets to the vinyl, you're gonna want to give it a quick tug because it'll pull your vinyl and let it wrinkle. So this is a string I'm pulling right here. It's really tiny, but just a quick pull, runs through, pull your knifeless tape off, lay it back down for a nice clean cut. And there you go.